Just when you thought it couldn't get no worse, my engine hoist is giving out on me. Look at this here. I've been playing around with the adjustments. I can't get the engine out of the car. It won't clear the radiator support. It's not supposed to be looking like this sideways in the engine compartment. The hoist keeps collapsing, so I opted to sit it sideways for the moment and attempt to separate the transmission from the motor mid-air. I need some backup, but ain't nobody showed up because it's Sunday, and people know I'm not really out here on Sundays. So it's just me, stuck. I don't know who I can get to another engine hoist at this time of the day on a Sunday, or do we say, the hell with it, push it back over here and try and close the hood. Front wheel drive Impala. Yeah, maybe I should go buy an engine hoist. Cause this one has got a tweak going on with it. So, yeah, that part.
Stag model done did it again.
Well, it wouldn't come out due to failure of the engine hoist. Had to let the air out the tire to get clearance. Ain't that a bitch? Now I gotta wrestle this greasy ass transmission up out of here. But we're gonna have this out of here and strapped to a stand. But that's what we do with this stuff.
I know this is not going to be cheap. So how much do you think your boss wants for this?
And I wouldn't even want to mention the price that he said.
Oh, really? Oh, you talked to him?
Pretty cool. Yeah, that one was rad.
That was pretty fun to do, like intakes and stuff.
Man, I wish
Double roller.
The Nova was pretty neat, but that's
Fresh
just because it was
intake.
super ridiculous and wasn't the norm that we usually do.
Yeah.
What have we built here in the last 5 years?
Old,
That's it. Perfect. We did it.
Cool.
new. Working it out. Some people say it's all in the details. Just the little details. You know, the little details. little cute stuff, you know. Little cute stuff. He gonna be back. He gonna be back. Yeah, so I got the I got all that sealed up and stuff. All that, so we ready to roll him back.
You ain't messing around.
I ain't bullshitting. You know, get your hands ready.
Hey, no problem. I did this enough times.
I know I can't do it by myself. So where's the pin that goes in this? Once we get it stand straight up and down, it will stand, but
Where you lock it?
I'm looking for it.
Look, he got the shorties ready. I got some shorties for my towel too, Rob.
Don't worry about it. We'll stick this in there when I get it over. It's somewhere around here. I just had it in my hand earlier. But anyway.
All right, you ready?
Yep, I'm going this way. One.
Which way? That way?
Yep. 2, 3.
1, 2.
Hold on. 2, 3.
There you go. They're gonna get pinned right there.
What is this?
Is that it right there?
No, that's for the Harmax bouncer. Okay, spin a little more. Right there. Okay, one. Right there. Okay. Stick that extension in there.
Sure?
Yeah.
They gonna roll?
It's not gonna roll. It's not gonna roll. Once we got it pinned halfway, it's standing.
Where you slide? Oh.
Actually, it's forward, so that pin wasn't even gonna go in. Okay.
Yeah, it moved.
Okay. We're gonna put a foot so this don't move. Put a foot in front of that. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle it and try and pull it forward.
Right there, right there.
Okay.
No, try to wiggle it up.
A little more? Right.
Yeah. A little more.
More?
Back. Right there. Nope, still ain't gonna work. Get the small one.
Oh, I didn't move none. That was how it looked when I first rolled it.
Was it?
Yeah, yeah.
I thought it moved a little.
No, I didn't. If it moved very little.
Just something small. There you go.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We're good.
You good?
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
All right. We're going back to work. Let the heat out. All right. Well, due to the corona, this got to get put to the side. We'll get back to it a little later. Got some plates, so let's go put it in storage. But we're going to continue on this, because if we off, I'm going to be on. But this right here going to have to wait, because I got other plans when I'm put this to use. That's all I got to say.
Stag model done did it again.
got it up there. I know people watching this probably saying, damn Rob, you know everything. Trust me people, I don't know everything. I call it improvising. Making it up as you go, or just making it happen. Or as my favorite word is, adapt and overcome. So we got him strapped in there. He pretty solid. So we're gonna regain some garage space. Oh yeah, distributors and stuff like that, I need to go with it. The rest of that stuff can get left here and put in the bin somewhere. Just clearing up some space, man. Oh, carburetor goes with it too.